Hi, I'm Rob Vidian with Low Country Basement Systems. You know, my wife and I started this company almost 18 years ago, and we've been serving the people of this community with foundation repair, basement waterproofing, crawl space moisture control, and now concrete lifting and leveling. We've built a great team of professionals that will serve you well. You've chosen the right company. The first thing you can expect from us when you schedule an appointment is you're going to get a fully trained professional inspector to come to your home to help address and identify the issues that you're experiencing. Not only will they know how to identify the issues, but they're going to know how to offer solutions and let you make choices to solve the problems permanently. That's our commitment to you. You should expect a wow customer experience. And what does that mean? That means that every person that we send on your project is an employee of Low Country Basement Systems. They've been trained how to communicate. They're kind and courteous. They're dressed appropriately for the job. They show up on time. Another thing you can expect from us is that you'll have a team leader who is responsible for your project from start to finish so that you'll be pleased with the end result. If you choose to move forward with Low Country Basement Systems, you're not alone. Thousands of homeowners before you have chosen us, and you're protected under some of the best warranties in the industry.